guys, and welcome back to No Bland Makeup, where we do makeup and body paint tutorials, usually with a cosplay twist, but today is a continuation of my World Cup flag series with a Nigerian flag tutorial. Technically, Croatia was supposed to go up first, but I finished editing this first, so we are where we are. Now, as far as colors go, or not really colors, but like themes of the flag go, Croatia and Peru are pretty similar, where it's two solid colors on either side and then white in the middle. So if you want, you can take a look at my Peru flag tutorial that I'll have linked in the cards and literally just switch out the red for green. Or you can do this, that's more like an eyeliner tutorial, and same thing with Peru. You can switch out the green here for the red and it'll still work. But I started off by laying a base of brown in the crease since I'm not going to really be doing anything with the eyes, and I wanted to do something a little bit different today. And then I took a lighter brown and put this on the lid. Basically what this is going to do is act kind of like a highlight, just to make my eyes look a little bit bigger, wider. Really not sure what the word I'm looking for here is, but just make them stand out a little bit more. Nothing too crazy though, because the focus for this look is really going to be the eyeliner. And then while we're working with more of a brown color, I'm just going to take that same brown I used in the crease and run it on my lower lash line just to give me a little something there. I don't know, I kind of like it. Now for the true focal point of this eye look, I'm going to go ahead and take some green eyeliner. I didn't have an actual green eyeliner, so I made some with some mixing medium and some green eyeshadow. But I'm going to go ahead and draw in my eyeliner. If you have trouble getting a really straight line for the actual wing part, you can take like a business card or something with a flat edge and put it on your eye. I don't recommend tape just because you keep doing that every day and pulling there, premature wrinkles, we know likey that. So that's just my thing. And then for the inner corner, I went ahead and basically lined the same way that I would normally do. I just left a space so that I can put that white eyeshadow on top of it. And then I went in and elongated the inner part. Kind of gave myself like an inside cat eye sort of thing. I don't know how to describe that. I like how it looks though. It gives the look a little bit more drama since it's more natural on the eyes. With some white eyeliner, again, literally just eyeshadow and some mixing medium, I went ahead and applied that on the inside part that was missing. Now be careful that you don't basically just coat the entirety of your eyelashes in this eyeliner concoction that you made. I also tried to blend it in a little bit closer into the inside of the green. Kind of didn't work out that well. And then I applied some mascara and lashes. Originally I wasn't going to put lashes on, but I don't know, I just felt like it. But if you want a full tutorial on how to apply lashes, it'll be in the cards up above. And this is basically what it should look like. Like I said, it's more of a simple look, but I like how it came out a lot. Especially if you have tricolors on your flag, you can always switch out the colors for whatever flag it is that you're doing. And then for the lips, just to keep with the green theme, I went ahead and applied some green liquid lipstick. This one was one of the catsuits from Wet n Wild, and I love them. I need to go to the drugstore more often. But before we get to the final look, today's video is sponsored by me. So if you guys want to support the channel, get some cool t-shirts and hoodies and other merch-like things, I'll have the link in the description down below. But that is the final look. I don't know, I kind of like this one a lot. But I hope you guys did too. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to see what comes out of my channel next. And if you really enjoyed it, here's a challenge. Share this video. I never say that, that's why it sounds so weird. But I will see you guys next time. Bye!